Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Misra, Assistant Professor, Department of Agat Tantra and Vidhi Vaidika, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Student, we already learned about the forensic thanatology in the last lecture. Today we will learn about the postmortal changes in the muscle after death. First of all, what is thanatology? It is the branch of science which deals with the study of death. What is death? Death is the irreversible cessation of life, insensibility, inability to move, and permanent and complete stoppage of the function of the vital organs of the body, known as the tripod of life, that is brain, heart, and lung. Then diagnosis of the death. Routinely, death is clinically diagnosed by British Code or Harvard criteria. That is the stoppage of respiration, absence of pulse, absence of heartbeat, fixed dilated pupils. These are the diagnosis of the death. Then stages of death. As per Sarparo, there is two stages of death. First of all, somatic or clinical or immediate or systemic or tissue death. And second is molecular or cellular death. First of all, what is somatic death? It refers to the death of the tissue or system or body and is clinical death. At this stage, since there is stoppage of functioning of the brain, heart and lung, the oxygen supply is stopped and hence the aerobic processes ceases and so the tissue dies. Then second is molecular death. It occurs after the somatic death and it refers to death of the all individual cells. Then molecular death occurs when even anaerobic processes stop due to non-availability of ATP. Then changes in muscle, often death, which are primary relaxation, second is rigor mortis, and after that secondary relaxation. What is primary relaxation? It is immediately after the death. The muscle are relaxed so that the eyeball sinks into the orbit, pupils changes their shape on pressure, relaxation of all sphincters and therefore incontinence of the urine, feces and semen. It may be delivery in the pregnant. All muscles are relaxed while the muscles which are subjected to pressure show contract flattening. Then all joint relax and so movements of the joints are possible. Lower jaw droops. Then characteristic of primary relaxation. Primary relaxation coincides with the somatic death. Then anaerobic enzymatic processes are still continuing. Muscles still respond to various stimuli. Pupils respond to drugs. At time peristalsis present, the reaction of muscle is alkaline. The stages last for 2 to 3 hours after death. That is till the molecular death does not happen. What is rigor mortis? The rigor mortis is defined as the contraction, stiffening, shortening, and opacity of muscles after death. This occurs can these changes can occur after molecular death. The mechanism of rigor mortis. Each muscle has fibers which have myofibrils, which are contractile element of muscle, are composed of protein filaments, actin and myosin. In routine, actin and myosin filaments present in interdigitating form. During contraction of muscles, they come close to each other. During rigor, actin and myosin fuses with each other, resulting in contraction, stiffening, and shortening of the muscles. Mechanism of fusion. ATP is responsible for elasticity and plasticity of the muscles. The dephosphorylation of ATP produces ADP and phosphate and large amount of energy is released, which is used for muscle contraction. ATP destruction causes accumulation of lactic acid and phosphates. The lost ATP is synthesized during the life. For a few hours after death, that is during somatic death, ATP stores are sufficient to maintain relaxation, but their synthesis ceases when glycolysis, when glycogen store depletes. When ATP stores are reduced up to 85%, contraction starts and at below 15% of normal, there results fusion of actin myosin to form actomyosin, which is gel-like matter where the lactic acid level are about 0.3%. This result in the opacity of the muscle. Then rule of 12. Rigor mortis start appearing 2 to 3 hours after the death, which become fully established after the 12 hours, which stays on the body for about next 12 hours and then slowly passes off in the next 12 hours. When the rigor mortis set in the early, it passes off quickly and vice versa. Factors influencing the rigor mortis. These are age, sex, condition of muscle, causes of death, atmospheric pressure. Then differential diagnosis of the rigor. These are cool stiffening, heat stiffening, putrefaction stiffening, and cadaveric spasm. Then secondary relaxation. After autolysis, muscles are again relaxed, labeled as secondary relaxation. But muscles and pupils do not respond to stimuli. Reaction of muscle is again alkaline due to lysis of protein and formation of ammonia. Other signs of the decomposition are present. Then medico-legal aspect of changes in the muscle. It is the surest sign of the death. Then time since death is known, advanced decomposition is there. Thank you, student. In next lecture, we will study the another topic, that is starvation.